Josh, you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Junior, you ready? Mara, you ready?
Ready.
Deb, you ready?
No, Junior.
All right. Quinny, you ready? Yeah. Andre, you ready?
No.
Mares, you ready?
Yes.
All right. Here we go. Some moments in life don't announce themselves as special. They just quietly unfold. Like watching two boys hold a pair of chopsticks for the first time. The way they study them, turning them around like puzzle pieces, wondering which end is the business end. And I can't help but smile, because I remember that same confusion years ago, when someone once showed me how to hold them, how it all felt clumsy at first, and then suddenly made sense. Funny how these small things come full circle. You spend your early years trying to learn how to use the tools of the world, and later, you find yourself teaching them to someone else. And in that moment, it's not really about the chopsticks anymore. It's about the laughter, the patience, the joy of discovery. You can do it. Sauce, teriyaki sauce.
What?
It's called... Watching them drop a piece, laugh, and try again, it reminds me how beautiful the learning process really is. How life keeps handing us tiny lessons, just dressed up in new forms. Maybe that's what growing older gives us, the ability to see magic in the ordinary, to find connection in something as simple as a meal. And as they finally pick up that first bite and look at me like they've conquered the world, I realize these are the moments that stay. And the little ones that quietly say, "You're doing all right." You want to borrow what?
The light.
Why?
The light is stove.
Junior, what are you gonna light?
The stove.
With the lighter? I guess. No, Junior, that's no. Turn the lighter sideways. Why? That's the light. You don't. Here. What are you doing?
Sideways.
Uh-huh. You gotta turn the gas on.
It's not.
The gas that's in the stove. There.
Don't take off this.
That's very heavy. What? It's not lighting. You're right. Why? No, that's not that's the gas. Why isn't it lighting?
I'm going for gas for me, please.
Oh, Junior. What do you light when you light the stove?
Gas.
Gas. Where's the gas?
It's died.
It's outside of the gazebo. So, what were you lighting?
A pot.
Why didn't it light?
No, I guess.
Because the gas is where?
I guess.
Okay. Happy Saturday. Oi! What's up, bro? Too much noodles yesterday? Yeah, we went to... Oh, honey. You're gonna have to sit. You good?
Yeah.
We went to get... If you're gonna get in the shot, you gotta sit over here. There, you can sit on the step. That'd be cool.
I can't
No,
sit on
you can
this.
no, because it cuts off.
I don't want to put on more now. You sit on this.
Perfect. All right. Anyway, as you guys saw in our lovely little montage, and Mars as Andre's attempts at chopsticks was, I'm gonna use the C word. It was kind of cute. Yeah. But that's not the only reason why we went to Kingston. We went to Kingston to pick up something that came from hundreds, if not thousands, probably hundreds of miles away. At least the rooster's excited. You see that enthusiasm? And not only does it come with a nice, beautiful bag with a really tight knot, honey. I didn't rehearse this. Can you?
Pieces of
I don't know. I don't know if somebody wants to bring the bag. I don't think you can. Yes, it's next. Oh, chicken wires. She's almost there. And we're back. Yay!
Look there.
Okay. In no particular order, we have
Rice group.
Rice Krispie Squares. Ooh, there's 8 bars. Are they good?
Yeah.
They're good?
Remember it last time we did it?
Yeah, they disappeared very fast. And we made them. Remember the last time we made
We
them?
don't eat them.
That's because they were gone before
Yeah,
you
because
could.
they're not taste like them there.
That's because we used Fruit Loops instead of Rice Krispies. Don't recommend it. Way too sugary. Not only that, we also got
You're my favorite.
ooh, goldfish. Wow. Oh, we're still throwing food.
I know, right? No, that's not good.
That's great.
It's not treat.
Oh, I wonder what happened when you throw toothpaste.
No, don't show those.
Wow. Ooh, I don't know if we should share these.
Those
Colgate
are
Max
Ultra
Fresh Ultra Freeze 10 times longer lasting cool fresh breath.
Yes, Craig, we have
Craig.
pressure breath.
Wow.
Whoa.
Toothpaste.
Craig, yeah,
Okay. You know what this is? Do you know what this is? Open it. Pull. Alright, we're training for Christmas, guys. Come on. You're doing great. Oh. Takes after the old Nana. Oh, I think I got enough. I got enough. Hold the bag. Yo, Timmy! Timmy's back. I'm excited. I'm adding to the collection. We're gonna get ready for 2026 French Vanilla Edition. Timmy H. Thank you. I get the bag. You wanna keep the bag? Okay. Oh. Oh no!
More Rice Krispies.
More Rice Krispies, except these ones have, what do they have in them? Sweetie? M&M? I don't know. Ooey gooey marshmallow goodness. Rainbow art, rainbow. It's got little chocolate pieces inside the marshmallows. No, the Rice Krispies with marshmallow. What is that? That's for Nana. Good, way to go. There might be something in it, Nana.
There's nothing in it.
Yeah, I won't stop her from looking now. Oh. This is not Timmy Horton's coffee. This is
Hot chocolate.
Timmy Horton's hot chocolate. Cocoa tea. We got enough. I didn't even know Timmy Horton made cocoa tea. Smooth and creamy. Same tea. Oh, I like Canada. You know what? Canada's awesome. You know why it says it? What does it say right there, Josh?
Yes, sir.
That white square.
High in very. Not very.
No, man, don't. Just read the English part. High in what? What's the S word?
Sugar, high in sugar.
Boy, Junior knows that word. Yes. Look at you, Canada. You say it right on the front label. High in sugar.
That means they don't add it to it.
Yes, that means it comes with sugar. You don't need to add sugar and create stuff in your hair. Thank you. There's more. Oh, mystery bag. Ooh. You know what this is? I think we're out of this, and now we might have more here.
Oh, that's oil.
No, better than oil. It's a glass bottle.
Olive oil. No,
No.
maple syrup.
What?
Maple syrup.
Alcohol.
Is what, oil?
I don't know.
Is maple syrup?
Alcohol.
No, it is olive oil.
Oh, I told you.
We're almost out of olive oil.
Yes. I
That's
told you.
Nana
I
gets the
didn't
bags.
even look at it.
Whoa.
I was right.
Boy. Oh no. Oh, he's going. Oh, he's going.
Oh, shit.
Good.
Extra virgin olive oil. Use in moderation. 100% pure. Gallo brand? 1 whole liter. That is going to be great. Oh, looking forward to more of that. Oh, there's another. Oh, okay. So we got the olive oil. That must
Maple
mean.
syrup.
You guys want to hear a fun story?
Yeah.
Maple syrup is not honey,
You know?
and honey is not maple syrup. You know how I know that? Because honey, what do you do after you open it? What do you do after you open the jar of honey? Where do you put it?
Set place on the counter.
You put it in a set place on the counter. You don't have to put it in the refrigerator. However, maple syrup.
If you put honey in that, what I realized, if you put real honey in the fridge, it get cakey.
It'll crystallize. Yes,
So
you can still microwave it and use it. It's just
but you know, taste also
inconvenient.
I think it lasts.
Right, so honey, 100% natural product, stays outside of the fridge at room temperature. However, 100% pure maple syrup needs to go in the fridge after you open it.
So it's spoiled.
It'll spoil. So, may have learned that one the hard way because we didn't read the label, but we got through most of it. Put this back in the fridge when you're done with it. 100% pure maple syrup. Use in moderation. This one doesn't say high in sugar on this on the front of it for some reason. Wow. Oh. Crunchy peanut butter. My favorite. Yay. Who else loves crunchy peanut butter? Crunchy? Crunchy? You love crunchy? Yes. Okay.
But unless me put in a smoothie or something.
Oh, so then this one must be for Nana.
Yes.
Smooth peanut butter. Hold on, make sure. It says smooth. Yes. So, whether you're a crunchy or a smooth fan. Oh, this one is 25% less fat than our regular smooth peanut butter.
That's my favorite then.
Maybe a little bit more sugar, but you know, sugar. Okay, almost done. Oh, Nana.
All right.
Moderation.
All right.
Moderation.
Pull.
Moderation. What does it say? Vegetable oil. 3 liters. 3 liters. Moderation.
Your
What does moderation mean, guys?
Just a little bit.
Sonia?
Just a little bit.
Good job, Sonia. Moderation means that you don't need to eat a bunch of it all the time.
Yeah.
Kind of like candy and sweeties. We should have a little bit over a long period of time. And last but not least, oh wait, Nana.
All right.
There
Those
are
are the best
floss
floss sticks.
Yes.
Professional
Then they commit
clean, removes
Yep.
2 times the plaque, fresh mint flavor.
Yep.
Sonia, you're in charge of these. And when you see them around the house, we know who left them. So, now last but not least, I think, yes, the holy grail of package deliveries with its own fancy bag. My favorite, you will come to love it. Whoa, what is
The
it?
basmati rice.
This
with
is
lady
the
and
most beautiful rice in the world.
the professor feels good.
Wow.
Thanks.
You want to lose a finger? I think it's a good way to do it.
Oh, we have zip.
In a fancy
Wow, that bag is mine, man.
Ooh, and
That's
Sonia's
a
new
cute
satchel.
bag.
Unless the the zipper works. This is basmati rice, gentlemen. Oh, it's sealed. It's sealed for freshness. You're gonna have to unseal it. Basmati rice. Somewhere between not enough and too much. How much? 8 pounds of basmati rice. Oh my god! If you don't know, you know. Basmati rice is my absolute favorite, and soon be yours too. Although it's usually pretty expensive. So. Many thanks for our care package this time around, all the way from the foreign. Gentlemen, what do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dave, for everything that you're doing for us. I really appreciate you. Love you. Bye.
I was going to say brush your teeth, but maybe that works too. Okay.
Brush your teeth.
All right.
You know where the Tyler?
You need to take that one.
I'll floss, you brush. We'll all have a Merry Christmas. Thank you for my bag. Mars, what'd you notice about the goldfish? What's on the goldfish? Is your name on it? Where's your name on it? You know what that says? What does that say? All right, spell your name in. It's right there. What is it? M. H. R. What? E. Z. Yeah, man. Found the name. You're a goldfish. Moderation. Yeah. Andre. Yeah, you got caught. Guess what, man? You might have something that you like. Oh, you don't want any? Oh, okay, that's fine. Oh, hey. Good morning. Oh, okay. I'm gonna eat them myself then. Bye. Oh, hey. You're back. Look what we found. Would you like a Rice Krispie Treats? Would you like to say good morning?
So yeah, there. You wait a minute.
The rules of the game are simple. I dropped him again. We're gonna try this again. All right, the rules of the game are simple. You catch it, you eat it. You don't catch it, do you get to eat it?
No.
No. Back up. Back up. We're going based on age, how far away you are. Oh, sorry, Dave. You didn't get that one. Oh, sorry, Dave. They didn't. Okay, give me one back. You're funny. That's so funny. Dave, this is great. You're doing great. All right. No, man, I won. Here we go. Oh. Oh. Okay, you get that one. Morris, give me that one. You gonna take that one? All right, you get that one. Good job. Craig's not even ready. Oh, okay. Sonia's not even ready. It's still in the air. It's still in the air. All right, Josh caught one. Oh, that was easy. Cool. It's gonna work. Andre, how is it? Good. Junior, can you taste it? Josh, what's the thoughts? Is it all right? Have you ever had a Rice Krispie treat before? Oh, okay, good. Morris, how is it? You gotta try it. You can't give me a thumbs up. You haven't tried it. Oh, wait for it. Wait for it. Still waiting for it. It's open, Mars. Go for it. How's it? Is it good? You figured it out. I was a little worried there for a second. Just put that right inside, just by the shade. Is that food dry? Shake the little food container to see. Yep, you got it. Yep. Yes? Cool. Can you manage to do this? One at a time, or both at one time? What do you think? Ladies and gentlemen, coming to you live. David, if you could take them both, one for each. You have two hands. Okay, bye. He's taking them outside for the day. They'll come back in the night. Yep. They're gonna play outside today. You see that little piece of wood that's on the other piece of wood on top? Up top. Up top. Up top. That's cool. All right. Chickens are good. Thanks for helping. Mm-hmm. Ask Nana, dude.
Shut up.
A little strange when you say the kids are gonna go bathe the dogs and put the leash on them. Then you come out here and you find what some might consider an integral part of the leash system. Let's find out. Hey, Junior. I got a question. What? Oh, she has. Oh, so that's why you took this off, because you used your collar. Okay, I was just worried. I was wondering. Emma, you look so beautiful. I know. Cool. Spot, you look so excited. You're next. Good job, Josh. You're doing great. Supervising? Okay, how's he doing? Oh, boy. Oh, Emma, I know. It hurts me more than it hurts you. Make sure you get a good rinse. Okay. Nice and warm today. Meanwhile, see what I did there? Yeah. Real gutters yesterday. Mm-hmm. They don't get carried away. It's literally just this one side so far and the downspout. But no, I learned a valuable lesson. Josh. You know what I learned? You know what I learned? He doesn't know what I learned. I learned that when you put gutters up, you have to watch out for the very, very sharp shingles. Tile, shingle, metal roof thingies, because they will cut. They will. We got a beauty mark. Never too old to learn new things. Right, Josh?
Yes.
Right. Watch the head, Junior. Watch the head. Make sure the tail. Okay. Doing great. How many we got?
5.
Yeah, but nobody picked up eggs yesterday. He's so funny, isn't he great? Dave, ladies and gentlemen. It's Dave. Emma, you're so beautiful. Yay. All right. Good luck, Spot. ready? You guys ready?
Yes.
Andre, where are we going?
Truck.
Track? We're going to sports day.
Yeah.
Where's your shoes? Where's your shoes? All right. Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines. Let's get out of here. Josh, you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Junior, you ready? Mara, you ready?
Ready.
Dave, you ready? All right. Quinny, you ready? Yeah. Andre, you ready? Mares, you ready?
Yes.
All right. Here we go.
Man, get good back to
You could have scored an hour.
I see hurdles, man. That was fun. That was a reminder you're not 23 anymore. It's not bad now. Like, it's when you get to that point where you know you haven't ran like that in a while. You played some football, got a goal, first goal of the game. And they're not big nets, man. They don't do this whole like 8 yards by 8 feet thing. No, they are little nets, and there may have been a lot of luck involved, but Either way, Team Yellow, I think we got second overall. They had netball and relays and races and rain, but this is the moment of gutter truth. This is to find out how we have fared, and I think, judging by first perspective, I think we're doing pretty good. So the goal was to keep the water. Oh, hi. You're leaking right there, though. That's not good. Dang, bro. Okay, we'll look into that. At least it's not... I'm calling that minor. But the goal was that water doesn't splash on the ground here and then get on the gazebo, which obviously the dogs didn't have a problem. But the good news is the gazebo looks nice and dry. Calling this one a win. Well, it was a win, so you gave Junior doggy shampoo to use, and there was like half a bottle here, and it's like gone. But the dogs are clean. I guess I'll call that a win too. It's a rainy day. You know what? There's only one thing left to do on a rainy day. Josh, what is it? What's the one thing that's left to do when it's a rainy day? Josh, it's right in front of you. Homework. Yay, project time. Oh, it is. You working on your homework too? What are you working on? What number is that?
I'm the final shirt. This.
And what number is that?
I don't want to be bad mean. Andre.
You don't want to be bad or mean?
Andre.
Well, I think that he's going to be able to... Yeah. Mars, what number is it?
Yeah, go back later on some food.
Mars, what number is that? You don't know? What number do you think it is?
No.
I got 1,
1,
2. What number is that?
2.
No, what comes after 2? Mars, what comes after 2? 1, 2.
1, 2.
Then what? Then we wipe your nose. Yay! Yeah, we need to. Someone can. Yeah, he's.
Look.
3. Marius, you're 3 years old. Look at that number. Boy, okay. Yep. Running noses are back, man. Hoping for the best. Oh. A fever again?
Yep.
I hope it wasn't the noodles. Not the noodles, right? Never. Is it because you went fishing yesterday?
Yeah, and then we drink.
Supple gin.
Yeah.
And water. And probably some juice. Probably some sugar water.
No juice.
And now we're working on the number 3. And jerk chicken last night. Oh, speaking of jerk chicken. Oh, he didn't eat any jerk chicken? Yeah, Josh helped with the jerk chicken last night. How was it?
Good.
It turned out pretty...
But it is spicy.
Yeah, we got the spicy one because that's all they had. So we'll get the mild one next time. Yeah, we learned that one the hard way. Do you add pepper to it? Then how did you make it spicy, dear?
3.5 spoons.
3.5 spoons. Well, it's supposed to be like 1 spoon per pound.
When we put it in the season, because of my meat, they never have nothing.
So you had to put more. Well, on the label it says spicy, so we're well aware that they have a mild version. We'll get that next time.
At least the spicy say, yeah, alright.
All right.
Yeah, maybe you at me again.
Oh boy.
So maybe you at me again.
How'd it go? Well, we got second, didn't we? What do you mean? Red House got gold and we got silver, right? Yeah. And we got second place? Wow, second place. Whoo, I will wear this with pride, man. Yep, I scored the first goal. Craig scored the second goal. I don't know how. Either one of them. Woo. I don't know, Mars. This look good on me. Second place. But did we have anybody on the red team? None of our peoples were on the red team. Oh well. Go blue! That's all they needed, man. That's all. Yeah, we got made it to the championship football game and lost by 1. But happy to be second. Oh yeah, Red House killed them in netball.
They did.
Oh, they got last.
And Josh.
Oh well, we should be respectful. Yes, let me see the medal. Let me see the medal. You got food all over your face or something, but medal looks good. I know, right? Hey.
A cake. We know skate.
You got cake?
We know skate cake.
Oh, so Craig brought the medal, but he didn't bring the cake. Must have disappeared.
Go away.
Oh well. Sometimes you don't get to have your cake and eat it too. Oh well. All right, how's it looking? Looking okay? Josh, solid waste pollution. What do you think that is based on the picture you're drawing? What do you think solid waste pollution is based on the picture that you're putting in?
Like people dusting garbage everywhere. In a sea, in a river, in a gully.
Okay, so it's solid. What is solid? What are solids? What are solids?
Like some square something.
Well, is this solid?
No.
Do you feel that? Do you feel that? You don't feel that. Josh, touch it. Hold it. Is it solid?
Like if it's tough.
Yes. Is it soft? Is it solid? Is it a liquid?
No.
Is it a gas?
No.
Then it's a solid. Okay, so this is a solid, an example of a solid. What is waste? What is waste?
Like garbage.
Garbage. And what's pollution?
Pollute the place.
What does that mean?
Like dash right garbage in a sea and a gully.
Yeah, so it's when it's put in a place that doesn't allow it to go back into the earth very efficiently. We'll look up the actual definition.
Like the time when we dash the plastic.
Yeah, yes. We had a good conversation about the importance of not dashing away plastic in the bush. We're learning slowly but surely cultural values and differences, and we're going to make a brochure, right? Oh, you know what time it is? Junior, you know what time it is?
Yeah, no.
Oh, it's definitely time last time. After a coffee break, wow, that's how you know you played some football today. See the medal? Oh yeah, it's going to be worn the rest of the day. Anyway, Josh has got the arts down. Let's check it out. It's upside down, Josh. So we got the start of the brochure going. Solid waste pollution. Now we just got to figure out what it is and all the other bullet points that it's asking us to do. Right? Thumbs up. Nice.
YouTuber. So today at the sports day, I play football and I came last by 2-0, and then after I did a race and came third but didn't get no medal. And then after the sports day was good. I like the music. Tyler was flying the drone and that was really good. After the rain started to fall, then I did really and come fourth, and then I came home. So that was my day.
Okay, Josh, we've got 4 different types of solid waste. What are they?
Paper, glass, organic, and plastic.
Okay. And there's 2 main sources and where these plastic and paper and glass and organic stuff come from. Where does the waste come from? Like where are you right now? Where are you right now? Where are you, Josh?
in our house.
You're in a house, and what happens here, Josh? This is waste. What do you do with it? You throw it on the ground? In the house.
Like that.
I wasn't ready for that.
Pollution.
Yeah, you're polluting. That we don't. He's only doing this for example purposes. Josh, where does it normally go?
In the bushes
You throw it in the bush?
and in the ocean.
Josh, we have a place in the kitchen meant for waste, solid
Garbage
waste.
bin.
The garbage bin, the trash. Right, so we would... I'll pick that up for you, don't worry. Yeah. Smooth, good. We here in the house are one source of waste. Now, we leave the house. We go out into the real world. For example, I'm thinking we should go get patties tonight because I'm super tired from all that amazing football I played. Bless you. And we're going to go to a place that also produces waste. What is it? Where are we going to get a patty that also produces waste? Wow, patty talk and you come running.
Yogurt.
Mothers.
Mother's. If we go to Mother's, does Mother's have a trash can?
Yes.
Okay, so is Mother's a house?
No.
What is it?
Restaurant.
It's a restaurant, or you could say it's a business. Or we could say industrial, because they make things. It gets a little more complicated, nuanced. We're going to stick with the simple stuff. But yes, so houses create waste and businesses or restaurants. You could use that as an example. Industry. We'll figure out a word. Industrial.
Waste
Like non-house, but also makes things, makes profit, makes waste. We're making pictures. Oh, hey guys. Yeah, it's almost 6 o'clock. Oh, what this? It's just a little something I won today. I'm just gonna hang on to it. I'm not joking, I'm wearing it. But nobody wanted to cook tonight. And Josh's project took a while. So we're gonna go get patties. Now that the 40 leg is no longer with us. Sonia got a bit animated on that one. Our first big 40 leg we've had that I've seen, besides the ones in the yard that came close to the front door. It was reassuring to get to work on Josh with this project, who's not gonna go home tonight. He's gonna stay till Monday. He's got more projects to do, and it's gonna be fun. He actually wants to get his work done and makes the effort. It's really entertaining. Oh, Josh, funny. I was just talking about you. I was telling him how impressed I was about your project and how well you did. And it's nice to work with somebody that puts in the effort consistently. So far. We got more projects to do.
Tomorrow we're gonna do one more.
Only one?
And then the next day, one more.
Another one. But we're going to Highgate first, right? Alright. Oh, gutters double as dog deterrents. Directing traffic, air traffic control. Somebody needs to get a couple bags. Are you going to meet us around the front, or are you going to meet us right here?
Right here.
Okay. Josh, sit down. Thank you. Okay, get a couple bags. Oi. Hey, hey. Anyway, a bit of a foggy evening. There goes the rat.
Where up there?
He just went out to the bush. Oh my gosh, he's still around. We're gonna find him.
Every time when you play,
Every time, man.
you have to let the rock pose up before you.
I have it. He decided he doesn't want it yet. Anyway, we're going to Highgate. Oh, it's a bit of a foggy day. Just, I don't know, guys. This is seat drama. Anyway, ready? Let's go to Highgate. Alright, what do you get when you forget to bring your phone with you when you run up and down Highgate on Saturday night?
I did before I got mine.
Well, why did you take any videos?
No.
Well,
I didn't have it. I locked it in the car.
so did I. That's the problem.
Taking the video.
Missed the patty order. They still got goat patties.
Yep, I asked and I got, and then Tyler switched.
I was feeling the cheese patty. I haven't had a cheese patty in so long. But then she said they had goat patties, and it was like,
When you go patty.
it's a
No man, go patty. Yes, they have go.
goat patty. Who's goat patty? Craig.
Craig, go patty, man.
Craig, go look punter.
I used to go.
Oh wow.
No, it's a goat patty.
Craig, I say, which part goat patty day?
When you go patty.
She pretty?
A goat patty.
Goat patty.
Yo, go
Goat
patty.
patty.
Craig,
Anyway.
you're going to get some goat patties.
Alright.
So me have to wonder where my car.
How's the road, Craig?
No, can't. Today I game night out.
We're going home. Yep, you can take the housekeeper out of Jamaica, but you can't take Jamaica out of the housekeeper. In case you hear any background music, living in rural Jamaica sometimes on a Saturday night, you gotta enjoy some of the, I'm gonna call them the classics, because I actually know some of these songs that they're having a good time, but either way, this is one of those survived another days. I lost my medal already? No, I put it in a safe place. Now I remember.
This is funny though.
Hold on, something's funny. Where'd you get that?
From my Sandy.
Wow. That's
No,
I haven't seen you wear that yet.
No, we take a piece of me out and say nope.
what?
No.
It's MADE, not MAID. It's a play on words, dear.
It's a play on words. Just say it was made.
Yes, but made is MAID.
Yes.
Yeah. You made the house. Like this house wouldn't be here without you.
Okay.
I tried. I don't know. That's interesting.
MAID.
But we're going now.
MAD is something we
Let it go.
made. Yeah.
Yeah. Morris is headed home. Boys are sedated. Josh's project. 1 down, 7 to go, but we'll get a few done.
7 to go. You just a logic where you say 7 all the time.
There's a few. He's already excited for the next one. And that's what I was telling him. I was like, it's nice to work with somebody who actually wants to do a good job on their assignment and comprehend what they're doing. And when you spend so much energy working with perhaps individuals that, for a variety of reasons, don't have that same capacity, it's challenging. And so when they come along and they're like, yeah, I'll spend an hour and a half on a project, sure. And you're like, that's what you're like. You see that? You see that face? That's what they're like. You throw in the head and shoulders, and then it's like, we did it. Another week, honey. Tell them good night.
Good night. Good night.
I need a little more energy here.
Okay. Good night, our YouTubers family.
That was okay. That was good. That was it.
Okay,
Okay,
that
bye.
was it. Good night.
Now hang up the phone.
Yeah, okay, phone.
Yeah.
Bye. Peace out.